Blackout Bingo has real cash competitions, 2-minute matches and free practice games. But winning money requires you to beat other players on speed, accuracy, and strategy. A Big Run Studios, 1-1. After 30 days, the question is not whether Blackout Bingo is real, it is whether the time and entry fees make sense for you. Here's how the game works, what the cash side actually looks like, and when I'd consider it worth playing. Blackout Bingo is made by Big Run Studios and runs on the Skills platform. Each match gives players the same game format, and your score depends on how quickly and accurately you mark numbers, complete bingo patterns, and use power-ups. The basic setup is simple. Start with free practice matches, learn the scoring system, and only move into cash competitions when you understand how the game works. Skills also provides free competitions, so you can get familiar with the interface without immediately risking money. The biggest issue is that cash tournaments are not guaranteed income. You are competing against other players, so an entry fee can become a loss if you finish outside the winning positions. 2026 Hands-on Review reported entering 47 paid tournaments over 21 days and cashing out $28.40 to PayPal. That same test reported that 38% of those tournaments produced a net loss. A home income lab. 3T. There is also a difference between playing for fun and treating Blackout Bingo like an earning app. If you are mainly looking for entertainment with the possibility of winning cash, the format makes sense. If your goal is predictable income, the results are much less reliable because your earnings depend on your performance against other players. The app itself is established. The US App Store currently shows a 4.5 rating from about 95,000 ratings, and Big Run Studios describes Blackout Bingo as a real cash game where cash prizes are available in eligible locations. App Store in 40. My 30-day verdict is simple. Blackout Bingo is worth testing if you enjoy competitive bingo and are comfortable treating cash matches as paid competition, not guaranteed earnings. Start with practice games. Learn the scoring and power-ups. Then decide whether the cash matches justify the risk. The two key points are that Blackout Bingo is a legitimate skill-based game, and cash results depend heavily on how well you perform against competitors. Your practical next step is to use the free matches before depositing anything. If this breakdown helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app reviews.